You're watching how Leap lets remove objects from a photo on your iPhone. Use the built-in Remove Objects feature in iOS. Open the Photos app and select the photo you want to edit. Tap Edit in the top right corner. Tap the markup tool at the top, which looks like a pen tip. Now tap the plus plus icon and select Add Shape. Choose the solid circle or square. Drag and resize the shape to completely cover the object you want to remove. Tap the color picker and use the eyedropper tool to sample a color from the area around the object. This makes the shape blend in. Tap Done to save. For a more powerful edit, use the Retouch tool in a third-party app, like Tuck Retouch from the App Store. It has a quick brush or clone stamp to seamlessly erase objects by copying nearby pixels. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.